In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Asana app in Microsoft Teams and test the integration. If you use Teams to communicate and Asana to manage projects, connecting the two can save you time and keep everyone aligned. We'll walk through installing the Asana app inside Microsoft Teams, signing in securely, and doing a quick test to make sure everything is working as expected. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use either the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct organization in Teams, especially if you switch between multiple tenants at work. Next, head to the Apps section inside Teams. You'll usually find it on the left-hand sidebar as Apps. This is the built-in App Store for Teams. If your layout looks a little different, look for More Added Apps or the three-dot menu, and then choose Discover Apps. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Asana into the search bar. You should see the official Asana app appear in the results. Double check that you're selecting the app published by Asana to ensure you're installing the legitimate integration. Click Add or Install. The exact button text may vary slightly depending on your version of Teams, but the idea is the same. You're adding the Asana app to your Teams environment. Teams may briefly show a loading indicator as it completes the installation. Now sign into your Asana account and allow the connection. A sign-in window will open and guide you through authentication. Use the Asana account associated with your work, and if you're part of multiple Asana organizations or workspaces, confirm you're connecting the right one. When prompted, review the permissions and click Allow or Authorize so that Teams can access Asana on your behalf. This is necessary for creating and linking tasks from within Teams. Finally, test the integration by linking or creating an Asana task directly from Teams. Open a chat or channel where you want to work and use the Asana app you just added to create a new task. Give it a clear title, choose a project if prompted, and set a due date to confirm everything is syncing. After you submit, you should see a confirmation in Teams, and the task should appear in Asana almost immediately. You can also link an existing Asana task to a conversation to keep context all in one place. That's it. You've installed Asana in Microsoft Teams, connected your account, and verified the integration works. If you don't see the Asana app in the store, your organization's admin may need to enable it. Otherwise, you're ready to collaborate more efficiently without leaving Teams.